Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure the phone and laptop share the same Wi-Fi network or a hotspot so discovery works. Once done, open Meet on mobile and sign in, and open Chrome on your laptop with the same account or the meeting link. Grant camera and mic permissions on the phone. This avoids permission prompts that interrupt the flow. Make sure the phone has enough battery or is charging. Otherwise, you risk disconnects mid-share. Now you perform the core connection. Join the meeting on both devices, and on the phone choose Join, and then More to select Present Screen or Use Phone for audio. If you want the phone camera feed, set the phone as the camera source inside the laptop meeting. Pick Join from phone, then click Join on laptop, and select Use Phone for video. For higher quality, you can cast to a Chromecast or use a USB tether with developer tools. Those options trade simplicity for better stability or resolution. Finish by preventing feedback. Mute one device's microphone and speakers so you don't get echo, and confirm the active camera and mic are the ones you want. Once done presenting, tap Stop presenting on the phone, then end the meeting on each device. If something breaks, for example the video freezes or audio lags, restart the Meet app, rejoin the meeting, and if that fails, switch to another Wi-Fi or mobile data. Clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app fixes stubborn permission or streaming glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.